Welcome to the channel, and just a little segment I'm going to throw in there about some of the pieces that need to be chromed. But as you can see, we're all dealing with this crud that is this blast of winter. But anyways, so we had a bit of a problem getting these pieces apart. Let me get this so you can see a bit better. So this is the vent window chrome piece or trim, and these little hinges here actually have to be on the stud here. So we've been working at them anyways, and of course you can't just pull out the acetylene torch and start blasting on them. So the only amount of heat's been a little bit of propane, and it's actually taken a week to get these little tabs off. But the other one, I put it in a bag. So anyways, this is what I found. Kept using some penetrant and warming it up a little bit, just enough to get it. And then finally, a small pair of needle nose, because this was quite low. We're able to get in here, and a couple of taps this way actually got the piece apart. So now, Peter doing the chrome plating has said that we have to have this stud out of here. It's actually splined. Get that a little closer. Oops, you can see this is splined, so it's not intended to turn on that little hinge. Oh, there goes the tripod. See if that'll stay. There we go. Oh, cheap vice grips. So this has to come out anyways. It's intended to rotate in this piece, and it has been quite a chore to try to get this to move back and forth. Problem with these pieces is if you put too much heat to them, you're actually going to melt them. They won't put up with very much. Does not look like it's moving yet. Want to welcome, we got a bunch of new subscribers in the last little while, so thanks to a couple of channels that gave us a shout out. Ellis Car Customs, and our friend over in Russia, the Hoarding Hermit, or Steve. Steve plays with some really cool old equipment, tractors, and I call them bulldozers, but they call them crawlers over there. And you should check out his channel, the Hoarding Hermit. And of course, we were nice enough to get a little shout out from Blair Smith at Rust Brothers. That was awesome too. And we're just trying to get this car rolling, and I guess we're trying to understand what this YouTube life is like. It's a little time consuming to keep setting up cameras, but people get interested, I guess. And by watching other people do jobs, it also makes it a little easier to understand how to do the jobs. So I think we're going to win this one. It is moving inside that piece. Oh yeah, that's getting looser. Just be really patient with this stuff. So there actually is another set of these on eBay right now, but they're 200 US. Even the ones on eBay would have to be replated, and this particular piece can't be done on his wheels and such. So he actually has to do the whole thing by hand, and as reasonable as he is about his pricing and that, these individual pieces alone are going to be $750 Canadian. So, you know, like $100 US, I guess that works out to. I think we got this pin. Ah, there it is. So when we put this back together, this is definitely going to be well lubed so that that doesn't get stuck in there anymore. And it's hard to believe one little pin could be so much of a challenge. So now I just got to work on this other one, and then these pieces can be brought over to be re-chromed. So just a little quick video. These are the kind of things you got to face when you're doing this kind of work. And just remember, if it's a rare piece, not only is it going to be nearly impossible to find, but it's going to be very expensive to buy in. And again, if you pay $200 US for one of these and it still needs to be replated, you're into $1,000 just for this one piece. But rare parts are hard to find, and you need to save them. So be very careful when working on these parts. That's the video for today. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.